out here in Mesquite servicing a Tesla. It's gonna be getting front and rear brakes on it. First thing you wanna do is put it in the transport mode. Make sure the wheels are chopped. It's a pretty simple procedure. Actually, once you get the wheels off, you just need to remove these pins right here. You push the pistons back on each side. Make sure you clean the surface areas, and you're good to go. There we go. All right, now we're working on the rears. Remember, put that hockey puck right there. And then make sure it's in tow mode. That way the electronic parking brake is disengaged. That way it's just a straightforward procedure. All right, loosen these wheels. It's gonna be a 21 millimeter. All right, with the rear parking brake, what I typically like to do, and this is my personal preference, but I like to disconnect the motor itself and then separate it from the caliper. And then you turn that clockwise and this piston will push back. We'll clean that surface area, clean all these surface areas, and we'll be good to go. Right, definitely look like that oil filter hasn't been changed. And looking at everything else, I don't see anything leaking. Bushings look good. And just like that, we are finished. On to the next one.
What a waste of your time, what a waste. I see hate on your mind. Why